Welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp notification or WhatsApp message not showing on home screen on your Android device. First, you'll need to go into Play Store and you're going to search for WhatsApp. And you want to ensure that the app doesn't need updating. If it does need updating, I would recommend that you update it. After you have done that, you're going to close out of Play Store and you're going to go into Settings. Once in Settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Battery. Right here, Battery and Device Care. Then you're going to tap on Battery right here. After you have done that, you want to ensure that power saving mode is turned off. As you can see on my device right here, it is turned off. After you have done that, you will close out of it and you're going to select Apps. Then you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you're going to type in WhatsApp. Then select WhatsApp. And from here, you're going to tap on Storage and you want to tap on Clear Cache. After you have done that, you're going to close out of it and you're going to select Notifications and you want to ensure that Show Notifications is turned on and you'll turn on Show Notifications. That's it. After you have turned on Show Notification, you're going to tap on Permissions and you want to ensure that WhatsApp have permissions. And that's it. That should solve your problem, and now your WhatsApp messages should show up whenever you get a message on your home screen.